In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a custom trees in Bloxburg. First, make sure you are on the build mode in Bloxburg. Now, go to the build section on the left side and then navigate to the shapes or basic shapes section and then click the squared or cube, and then as you can see in here I have a first try, which is the cylinder, but I failed. So in this second try, I think I might get the custom tree I want. So make sure you colored it like a tree, and then after that go to decorate and then to the decoration section, select on that and then click the frames, and then you will see here the square two-sided decal, and then attach it to the basic cubes you've created in Bloxburg. After that, go to the decal and then customize the picture on that by clicking the key letter E on your keyboard, and then type 3 PNG and then click enter, and you will see here the PNG tree. And as you can see here, it almost looked like a tree, but and that's how to make a custom trees in Bloxburg. I hope this video helped. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.